Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I am Shaili and I hope that you're all staying safe and paying attention to your physical and mental well-being. Here we are in week 2 of our 6-week beginners yoga program. No matter what challenges are being thrown at us, it is very important for us to divert our attention from the challenges and problems to what we can do to keep ourselves healthy, strong and fit. So let's get on the mat and begin with our week 2 of beginners yoga. Sit with your legs crossed, hands resting on your knees. Lengthen your spine, roll your shoulders back, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths here. Breathing in and out through the nose. Appreciate yourself that you are here in week 2 of your yoga practice and going strong from here. Now stay with that positive thought. Hold onto your knees. Take a deep breath in and push your chest out. Lift your chin up and look up towards the ceiling. Nicely done. As you exhale, squeeze in your upper body, lower your head, bringing the chin towards the chest. As you inhale, you expand. As you exhale, you curl in. Sync your movements with your breath. Seated cat and cow. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, you curl in. Awakening the spine and getting the body ready for our movements ahead. Come back to the center, have your hands by the side and let's get ready for a side body stretch. Inhale, right arm up, exhale, send it to the other side. Inhale, left arm up and stretching it to the other side. We are swinging the upper body from left to right. It's a nice side body stretch. You can keep your bottom arm straight or bend the elbow as much as your body allows. Be very gentle with your swinging action. No need to rush into it. And no need to push yourself deeper into it. Just listen to the body and swing swiftly. Keep breathing through your nostrils. And back to the center. From here, stretch your legs out in front of you and we will stretch our toes and ankles. So, point your toes out and then flex them in. Point out, flex. Point out, flex. Hold it there. You can stretch your toes out if you want. And now start circling your ankles. Rotating your ankles clockwise 5 times and then anti-clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your right knee. Hold your right knee with both your hands. Keep your back straight. As you inhale, stretch your leg. Exhale, bend it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Let's take it to the other side. Bending the left knee, holding it with both our hands. As we inhale, we stretch the leg. Exhale, bend it. 2, 3. Keep your back straight. Last one. And then you relax your left leg. Now we bend both our knees. We hold our knees with each hand and then straighten your leg, bend your knees. 2 straight, bend your knees. 3, keep your back straight. 4, 5. Relax, nicely done. Now open your knees. Your soles are together. Bring your heels in towards your body, holding onto your toes, keeping your back straight, arms straight. Push your knees down towards the mat as much as you can. Stay there and you will feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs, groins. It is a fantastic hip opener and releases stiffness in the lower back. Now lift your knees up. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see the pose correctly. From here, keep your feet parallel, knees parallel, in line with your hips. Send your hands behind you, fingers facing forward, and from here, push your chest out. Keep your shoulders stretched and your chest is pushed out. Don't drop your head back, keep looking up. Now, you place your right ankle just behind your left knee and press your right knee out. Stay there and you will feel a good stretch in your inner right thigh, and the back is also getting a good stretch. Now start lifting your hips off the mat just as much as you can. Come as high as you can. Push the ground away with your hands. Look at your belly button. Nicely done. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Gently coming down. Release your right foot. And we will do it on the other side. Placing the left ankle just behind the right knee. Push your left knee out. Seated pigeon pose. A fantastic hip opener. Now lift your hips off the ground as high as you can go. If this is the first time you are doing it, don't push yourself. Just listen to the body. Come as high as the body allows. Gently coming out of it, release the left foot, and from here, hug yourself. Bring your knees in towards the body. You can either interlock your fingers or you can wrap your arms around your legs. On the exhale, bring your knees in. Seated Pavan Mukta Asana. Stay there for 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now we will come into our tabletop position. On our hands and knees, hands in line with the shoulders, knees in line with the hips. From here, send your hands slightly ahead of your shoulders, curl your toes, and lift your knees, bringing your hips up towards the ceiling. We are in downward facing dog. Head between the arms are straight. Gently bring your heels down. If your heels aren't touching the mat, you can bend your knees slightly. From here, we are going to step up with the right foot, and you can definitely take baby steps like this. Bring your right foot between your hands, and we are in runner's lunge. You can be on your fingertips or your hands can be on the mat. Keep looking forward. Stay there. Breathe. See if you can bring your hands on your right knee, one hand at a time. Don't push your knee down. Place your hands slightly behind the knee. You can either stay there, or if you feel stable, take your arms up towards the ceiling. Keep looking in front of you. 3, 2, 1. Hands down on the mat. Step back with your right foot, coming back into downward facing dog. And now we will step up with our left foot. So take baby steps or step up in one go, whatever is available. Stay in your runner's lunge. Look at a point in front of you. Again, you can be either on fingertips or you can even place blocks on either side of your foot. Bring the floor to you if you can't reach the floor. Keep breathing through your nostrils. Gently, one by one, bring your hands just behind your left knee, and we can either stay there or we can send our arms up towards the ceiling, still gazing at a point in front of us. Exhale, bring your hands down, step back with your left foot, and we are in our downward facing dog. From here, walk towards your hands. Again, take baby steps. Take your time. Once your hands meet the feet, stay there. Relax your neck. Take a deep breath in and rise all the way up. Exhale, relax. And we are standing for the first time in our practice. I hope you have enjoyed it so far. Now we will do some standing balances. Take 1 foot distance between your feet, and from there, inhale, raise your arms and lift your heels off the ground. Tadasana, we are stretching the body, stretching all the way from the tip of the toes to the tip of the fingers. Exhale, and you slowly come out of it. This is a wonderful full body stretch. One more. Inhale, arms go up towards the ceiling. Lift your heels. Stay there and breathe. Exhale, and we slowly come out of it. Next, we will be doing a standing balance tree pose, Vrikshasana. For that, shift your body weight onto the right leg, lift your left knee, open up the left hip, placing the left sole on your inner right thigh. Hands can be in the prayer position, or you can place them on your hips. If you feel comfortable, you can raise your arms up towards the ceiling. Strong, steady, firmly rooted like a tree in our tree pose. Smoothly coming out of it. And let's take it to the other side. So this time we shift the balance on the left leg, and yes, check the distance between your feet. Bending the right knee, turning it out, placing the right sole on the left inner thigh. Now choose your height. You can simply place your foot on the ground, that is your tree, or anywhere above or below your knee. Never push or press your knee. It's a standing balance. Keep your focus at a point in front of you and gently coming out of it, release your leg. And from there, we take a deep breath in, raise your arms up. As you exhale, fold forward, go all the way down. Step back with your right, step back with your left, and gently make your way towards the mat. We are lying on the mat with our belly down. Hands by your chest, feet together, elbows pointing back. As you inhale, lift your head, chest, and upper belly off the ground. Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, slowly coming back. Now you can send your hands slightly ahead of your shoulders. This time as we inhale, we lift our upper body and we straighten the arms. Keep looking at a point in front of you and breathing through the nostrils. You're getting a wonderful back bend here. At the same time, your abdominal organs are getting a good massage. Slowly coming out of it by bending the elbows, bringing the body down towards the mat. And relax for a few moments. Then gently turn onto your back. Raise both your legs up towards the ceiling. And from here, cross your right knee over left. Bend your knees. Hold on to your ankles or your feet, whatever is available as of now. This is Supta Gomukha Asana, the lying cow face pose. As soon as you come into this position, you will feel a wonderful stretch in your thighs, in your glutes, in your lower back. Stay there and breathe. Release, and let's switch the sides. This time, the left knee is on top, holding onto your feet or ankles, whatever is available. Breathe through your nostrils and enjoy the yummy stretch. And as you can see, my little man made a special guest appearance. Now, this could be the scene with you as well. Work, kids, family. What should you do? Should you stop? If it's an urgent situation, please tend to it. Otherwise, continue with your practice and everyone else around you will definitely understand. Now, we will come into Vajrasana. If Vajrasana, the thunderbolt position, isn't available, you can sit with crossed legs. Hands resting on your thighs, and we will do Kapalabhati Pranayama, which is forceful exhalation. As you exhale, pull your abdominal muscles in towards the spine. Inhalation happens automatically. Let's begin. Close your eyes if that is comfortable for you, or you can keep your eyes open and gaze very softly at a point in front of you. Forceful exhalations. On each exhalation, pull your belly in towards your spine. Inhalation will happen smoothly, automatically. Full attention towards your exhalation. During pranayama, you must not feel breathless. If that is the case, please stop and continue when you are ready. You can choose to do it in batches as well, taking 10 Kapalabhati breaths, taking a pause, and then continuing when you are ready. And relax. Close your eyes and reverberate in the sensations and energy that you have created for yourself. Breathe smoothly, very softly, and feel your breath moving in your body freely. This is you, softer, stronger, more flexible you. I hope you will continue your practice for week 2, and I'll see you next week with a fresh practice.